Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you why you have no views on TikTok. So this might happen with the new users on TikTok, like who have no idea or not familiar with the settings of TikTok. So let me tell you, if you are just trying to post any video, and here you can see who can watch this video. If you set this privacy to only me or friends, then no people, everyone won't be able to see your post. So you need to set this to everyone, and everyone will be able to see your video, and you will have views, right? If you get rich or suggested by the TikTok. Now let me show you another thing, which is privacy. If you go to your privacy, and if you made your account to private account, you need to just turn this off. I mean, you need to make your TikTok account as a public account, so people will be able to see your video if you upload any content on TikTok. So in this way you can fix or solve the problem, like why you are not getting views on TikTok.